Guangzhou, the bustling metropolis in southern China, comes alive at night. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a vibrant tapestry of lights and sounds. Streets are filled with people eager to experience the city's dynamic nightlife. The air is electric, buzzing with excitement and anticipation. Neon lights illuminate the skyline, casting colorful reflections on the Pearl River. Walking through the streets, you can feel the energy pulsating from every corner. The city's nightlife is a blend of tradition and modernity, offering something for everyone. From chic rooftop bars to bustling night markets, Guangzhou has it all. The diversity of activities and venues makes it a hotspot for locals and tourists alike. The city's nightlife is not just about entertainment, it's a cultural experience. It's a chance to see Guangzhou's unique blend of old and new. Traditional Chinese architecture stands alongside modern skyscrapers, creating a stunning backdrop for evening adventures. This vibrant mix is what makes Guangzhou's nightlife so special. In Guangzhou, the streets are filled with confident and fashionable women. These women are redefining what it means to be independent in a rapidly changing city. They walk with purpose, exuding a sense of empowerment and self-assuredness. Their presence adds a dynamic energy to the city's nightlife scene. Fashion plays a significant role in this cultural shift. Women in Guangzhou embrace bold and eclectic styles, mixing traditional Chinese elements with contemporary fashion trends. This fusion creates a unique aesthetic that is both striking and inspiring. It's not just about looking good, it's about expressing individuality and confidence. The city's nightlife offers a platform for these women to showcase their style and independence. They gather in groups, enjoying the freedom and excitement that the night offers. It's a celebration of their achievements and aspirations, a testament to their resilience and determination. This vibrant female presence is a reflection of broader societal changes. As more women pursue careers and education, they are redefining their roles in society. Guangzhou's nightlife is a microcosm of this transformation, highlighting the beauty and confidence of its women. Guangzhou's nightlife is as diverse as its population. The city boasts a variety of neighborhoods, each with its own unique vibe. Tianhe district is a hub of modernity, with sleek bars and upscale clubs. It's a favorite among young professionals and expats looking for a sophisticated night out. For those seeking a more traditional experience, Liwan district offers a glimpse into the city's rich history. Here, you can explore bustling night markets filled with street vendors and local delicacies. The vibrant atmosphere is a feast for the senses, with the aroma of street food wafting through the air. Youthful district is another popular destination for nightlife enthusiasts. Known for its lively bars and music venues, it's a place where locals and tourists come together to enjoy live performances and dance the night away. The district's eclectic mix of venues ensures there's something for everyone. Each neighborhood has its own charm, offering a unique perspective on Guangzhou's nightlife. Whether you're looking for a chic cocktail bar or a bustling market, the city's diverse offerings ensure an unforgettable experience. Guangzhou is known for its welcoming and energetic spirit. As soon as you arrive, you can feel the city's pulse. There's a sense of excitement in the air that's impossible to ignore. The streets are alive with movement, laughter, and the vibrant sounds of daily life, blending seamlessly into the night. The city's residents are friendly and open, always eager to share their culture and experiences with visitors. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a returning guest, you'll find that people here go out of their way to make you feel at home. It's not uncommon to be invited to join a meal or to hear stories about the city's rich history from a local. This hospitality really shines through in the way people interact with each other, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Conversations flow easily, and laughter echoes through the streets, making every corner feel like a gathering place for friends old and new. Honestly, the energy of the city is just infectious. There's a buzz that fills the air, especially as the sun sets and the city lights begin to glow. The nightlife here isn't just about entertainment, it's about connection, celebration, and living life to the fullest. As you walk through the streets, you can't help but be swept up in the excitement. Every step brings new sights, sounds, and opportunities to connect with others. The city feels like it's constantly inviting you to join in the fun, to explore, and to discover something new. People of all ages come together to enjoy the nightlife, and that creates a sense of community and camaraderie. From young children to grandparents, Everyone finds their place in the city's vibrant social scene, sharing food, stories, and laughter late into the night. It's a place where strangers quickly become friends, united by their love for the city. The barriers between people seem to melt away, replaced by genuine curiosity and kindness. It's easy to strike up a conversation and find common ground, no matter where you're from. This sense of belonging is what makes Guangzhou's nightlife so special. There's a feeling that everyone is welcome, and that every night holds the promise of new friendships and unforgettable memories. It's not just about the venues or activities, it's about the people who make the city come alive. Their warmth and openness turn every gathering into a celebration, and every meal into a shared experience. Their enthusiasm and passion for life are contagious, drawing you right into the vibrant tapestry of the city's nightlife. You'll find yourself smiling, laughing, and joining in, even if you arrived as a stranger. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Guangzhou's nightlife offers a real sense of connection and belonging. It's a place where differences are celebrated, and everyone is encouraged to be themselves. It's a place where you can just let go of your worries and embrace the joy of living in the moment. In Guangzhou, every night is an invitation to celebrate life, to connect with others, and to experience the city's unique and unforgettable spirit. One of the most rewarding aspects of exploring Guangzhou's nightlife is, without a doubt, the opportunity to meet new people. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle, the streets come alive with a vibrant energy that draws people together from all walks of life. Whether you're a local or a visitor, there's a sense of anticipation in the air, an unspoken invitation to join in the city's nightly celebration of friendship and connection. The city's public spaces are alive with conversations and laughter, creating a genuine sense of community and connection. From bustling night markets to cozy street-side cafes, every corner seems to echo with the sounds of people sharing stories, exchanging jokes, and making new friends. It's in these lively settings that strangers become acquaintances, and acquaintances often become lifelong companions. It's a place where friendships are formed and memories are made. The simple act of sharing a meal or a drink under the neon lights can spark conversations that last long into the night. These moments, filled with laughter and warmth, become cherished memories that people carry with them long after the night is over. The open and friendly nature of the city's residents makes it super easy to strike up a conversation. People here are genuinely curious about others, and it's not uncommon for a simple greeting to turn into a deep and meaningful exchange. This openness is part of what makes Guangzhou's nightlife so unique and inviting. Whether you're sitting at a bar or just wandering through a market, you're likely to encounter someone eager to share their story. Locals are often excited to introduce visitors to their favorite foods, traditions, and hidden gems around the city. These spontaneous encounters can lead to unexpected adventures and lasting friendships. These interactions offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who call Guangzhou home. Through their stories, you gain a deeper understanding of the city's rich history, diverse culture, and the values that bind its community together. Every conversation is an opportunity to learn something new and to see the city through someone else's eyes. Socializing in public spaces is a cherished part of Guangzhou's culture. It's not just about having fun, it's about building relationships, supporting one another, and creating a sense of belonging that extends far beyond the nightlife itself. It's a way for people to connect and build relationships, creating that sense of belonging and community. These bonds are strengthened night after night, as people come together to celebrate, share, and support each other in both big and small ways. The city's residents are proud of their culture and always eager to share it with others, making every encounter a meaningful experience. Whether it's teaching a visitor how to eat a local delicacy or explaining the story behind a traditional festival, these moments of sharing help bridge cultures and create lasting connections. These interactions are a testament to the city's welcoming spirit. They show that Guangzhou is not just a place, but a community where everyone is invited to join in and feel at home. They remind us that despite our differences, we are all connected by our shared experiences and love for the city. In Guangzhou, diversity is celebrated, and every night brings new opportunities to connect with people from all backgrounds. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of community and connection in our lives. In the heart of Guangzhou's nightlife, friendships blossom, stories are exchanged, and the spirit of togetherness shines brighter than the city lights themselves. No exploration of Guangzhou's nightlife would be complete without experiencing its vibrant street food scene, which truly comes alive after dark. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a lively tapestry of sights, sounds, and tantalizing aromas, drawing locals and visitors alike into its bustling night markets. Here, the culinary scene is a reflection of Guangzhou's rich and diverse culture, offering a tantalizing array of flavors and dishes that tell the story of the city's heritage. From spicy Sichuan noodles that awaken your senses with every bite, to the comforting warmth of freshly steamed dim sum, the options are endless. Each stall is a window into a different culinary tradition, with recipes passed down through generations and adapted to modern tastes. Whether you're savoring sweet Cantonese pastries or sampling savory skewers hot off the grill, there's something to satisfy every palate. Street vendors line the avenues, their stalls brimming with delicious treats and local specialties. The aroma of freshly cooked food fills the air, mingling with the laughter and chatter of people gathered to enjoy a late-night meal. It's a sensory experience that truly captures the essence of Guangzhou's vibrant culture and culinary heritage, making every visit to the night market a new adventure. But the allure of Guangzhou's nightlife doesn't end with food. Music is another integral part of the city's after-dark energy. Live performances can be found in cozy bars, lively clubs, and even on street corners, showcasing a range of genres from traditional Chinese melodies played on ancient instruments to contemporary pop and jazz. The city's music scene is a testament to its creativity and innovation, offering a platform for local artists to share their talents and connect with audiences. Together, food and music create a rich tapestry of experiences that define Guangzhou's nightlife. They are a celebration of the city's culture and a reflection of its dynamic spirit, inviting you to immerse yourself in the rhythm and flavors of this unforgettable city. It's an experience that leaves a lasting impression, inviting you to return and explore more with every visit. Exploring Guangzhou's nightlife offers a unique insight into the city's modern identity. It's a place where tradition and innovation coexist, creating a dynamic and vibrant culture. The city's nightlife is a reflection of its people, their aspirations, and their resilience. Through the friendships and experiences gained on the streets of Guangzhou, we learn about the city's heart and soul. It's a place where people come together to celebrate life, share stories, and create memories. These experiences remind us of the importance of connection and community in our lives. Guangzhou's nightlife is more than just entertainment. It's a cultural journey. It's a chance to see the city through the eyes of its residents, to understand their dreams and challenges. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we are all united by our shared experiences and love for life. As we reflect on our experiences in Guangzhou, we're reminded of the city's vibrant spirit and welcoming nature. It's a place that invites us to explore, connect, and embrace the joy of living in the moment. It's a journey that leaves us inspired and eager to return.